Afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour. Today we're in the Armada. Like I mentioned in the last video, it is just past 120,000 miles, and since I don't have time to work on it because we got kids and lots of family stuff going on, I'm just gonna bring it down to the oil change place. But what we're gonna get taken care of today is the 120,000 mile service, which includes transmission fluid, front differential, rear differential, transfer case, and we're gonna flush the antifreeze as well. So a lot of things on the menu for today for the Armada, but yeah, it's been a great vehicle and I really enjoy it. It's nice and solid. I've never driven an SUV that drives quite like the Armada. The Armada actually drives more like a car than it does a truck, which is nice considering it's a giant size. But yeah, anyway, we're headed there right now. So the Armada actually has a pretty unique engine noise, which right now it's still cold, so I got a lot of fan noise going on, but the Armada comes with a quieter exhaust note than like the Titan, even though they share the same engine. The Titan has a louder exhaust note. The Armada has a quieter exhaust note. But one thing I have noticed about the Armada is that it actually makes a pretty good engine noise. Usually engine noise kind of just sucks. Engine noise, you don't really want to hear the engine noise because it just sounds like it's just whining or you know what I mean. But the engine noise on the Armada actually sounds pretty mean, and I'm not going to do it now because it's cold, but I'll try to do it in a little bit. But yeah, I do enjoy that about the Armada, but just wanted to shoot a quick update today for you guys, and we're just about there now, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. While we're sitting here waiting for our turn in the service bay here, I want to talk a little bit about the truck and the turbo build that's coming up. So I think I finally narrowed it down to which turbo kit I'm going to get. So yes, I did decide I'm going to go with a kit, and it's not an exact fit for my truck, but I think it's close enough that we can make it work, and the price is pretty reasonable too. So I'll be sharing a little more details about that in an upcoming video. But it is a single turbo kit, and it comes with the manifolds, with the up pipe for the turbo, and everything basically that I need. It will have a front mount intercooler. It will have electric fans. We're converted from the clutch fan to electric fans so that we have room for the pipe to come up to the intake from the intercooler. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I think it's close enough that we'll be able to make it work without too much modification. So I hope you guys are excited for that as well. And as you can see outside, it did snow, and the snow isn't going away because it's been hanging around in the 20s during the day. And so it's been making it very difficult for me to get out and film that 0 to 60 S8 video. So bear with me on that one. I'm excited, just like you guys are, to get it done. I want to get out there and do it, but the roads, one, have been either wet and salty or just slippery, so it doesn't make much sense to go out there and do a 0 to 60 if we don't get any traction, or if it's wet and I don't want to just get my car all salty and crappy if I don't have to. So it should be up in the 40s for a few days this week, so hopefully the snow will melt off, the roads will dry out, and it'll be sunny so that I can get out there and shoot a nice video for you guys. Because truthfully, videos out there in the rain or gloomy weather just don't turn out as nice as ones on sunny, dry days. So thanks for your patience on that one. I am excited to get it done, and I hope you guys are too. So we're gonna pull the Armada in here, get it all serviced up, and I'll talk to you guys when it's over. just like that, we're back in the car, and 20 minutes later, I have 5 things knocked off my list of things to do at home. So there's a lot to be said for being able to save some time so that you have more time to get other things done with the family or around the house. And the fact that I can run in there over lunch break and get transmission fluid, front differential, rear differential, transfer case, and a radiator flush all within 20 minutes is just, that's hard to beat. You know, that would have taken me a couple hours to do at home, just because I do them one at a time, and they got, you know, 3 guys working on it all at the same time can get it cranked out. So, you know, that's worth a lot, especially now that we're a family of 5 with a 3-month-old at home. It's tough to find time to get things done, especially on the Armada that is kind of just a daily driver for my wife and for running the kids around. It's just good to get it in and out and back on the road as quickly as possible, not with me just messing around trying to figure stuff out. With that being said, the starter on this is starting to go out, which is a bummer, and you will never guess where the starter is on the Armadas and the Titans, unless you know already, of course. But it's actually under the intake manifold. So I have ordered a starter, and I do plan on doing that myself, but not really looking forward to that. That is going to be interesting. So I do plan on shooting a how-to video on that. If you guys are into that, well, you can look forward to watching that one. But that should be pretty interesting, taking the intake manifold off just to get to the starter. So I'm headed back home. Again, got all this done on my lunch break. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button with the bell icon next to it. And thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you next time.